landed into Bromtown and there's a piano with this lovely gentleman playing and he has got skills. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Hope.
His name's Hope. What's your Insta?
One life only underscore.
One life only underscore.
Spelled out.
What underscore spell out?
No, like one life only.
Oh, one life spell out. So ONELIFE. Yes, imagine this. I'm just walking to my bus stop and he's here playing. Beautiful spirit. And sit down next to him. But he can play. I'm gonna take it slow. Yeah. This time I'll take it slow. Freestyle. It's me and Hope again. I don't know him, but we're gonna become friends. Cause he plays so sweet. I wanna hail him up. Cause he's so talented. And I'm feeling really blessed. Cause you know when you meet somebody on your wavelength, it's gonna blossom into something beautiful. And well, he's from London, I'm from Bromtown. He's studying now, and you're gonna see him again. So play for me, hope, 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 hope. I'll need you to play for me, hope. Play for me, hope. Yeah. I need you to play for me, hope. Again. Yes, if you don't know, better get to know. This is so random, but I love it. So you're down here studying. Okay, so we're hooking up on my day off. I got a day off on Monday, so we need to either hook up here or we need to hook up somewhere. I'm always like getting around to Birmingham around these times, so we could always just hook up at this time when it's dead.
Definitely, and I study.
I'm so good. I graduated from BC, so yeah.
Friends excited.
Oh my God, what star sign are you?
Well, I'm a Virgo.
I'm a Virgo.
Wait, that's a bit scary. For real.
When's your birthday?
20th of August.
I'm 17th of September.
Still
We both Virgos, honey. We both graduated from the same university. Come with something different now. Let me check the time because, okay, I've got 15 minutes. 15 minutes and I gotta go. Randomly in the train station, there's a piano. Hope's playing. What's your Insta? Hope? No.
One life only.
One life only, or spell out, underscore, two underscores, one life only, spell out, and two underscores. Add him, because he's bad. You're definitely going to see him on my live again, yeah?
I'm still learning.
Oh, he's talking about he's still learning. He's self-taught. He grew up playing in the church, and he's self-taught. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh, we're doing something different. Come then, let's go. Tea Cleaves gang gang. Tell your mother, tell your friends that I'm here in the train station in Birmingham, singing with a guy called Hope. Okay. Dum dum dum. Hey, come again. Here we go. Say bum bum. Oh, come on. Hey, oh yeah. Baby girl, I'm just a girl from Birmingham, sitting down next to a man from London. piano. Listen, I just met him so randomly, but we connected like internet on the TV, and I'm freestyling in the train station. At him, he is on Instagram. Only one life, 2 underscores, not 1 but 2, yeah. Woo, slowing it down. Love that. I'm gassed. I'm so gassed. Right. Oh. Look at 77 people are tuned in, but by tomorrow there'll probably be about 3,000 views. So,
listen,
you're getting out there.
Listen, if you lot want talent, you gotta come, bro.
You gotta come to Birmingham. I'm telling you. Up north, Manchester, Birmingham, like there's so much talent.
Dancers.
True. These are dancers.
So who do you dance with?
I dance for myself. I do like music video shoots and stuff.
Okay, so you just dance for yourselves, all of you.
Yeah.
Look at this.
You got pianoists.
So I'm sorry, I just like, you know, have just bumped into a creative team. It looks like, so I might have to do like a little link up. Hey, yeah. I need to go in a minute. My boss is in a minute. Mini Cleve, I just dropped her off at the theatre. She was at my house, but she's at the theatre now. Hey everybody, it's been a while. Look, somebody's watching from Sydney before they go to netball. Somebody's in Manchester. If you're enjoying this live, put a thumbs up. Hey yeah, hey yeah, yeah. Listen. There's 69 people on the live, but by tomorrow there'll be like 2009. And you're playing so sweetly, and people they call me Lexi or Lexi. We got dancers and singers and self-taught pianists. Hey, this is so random, but this is my life. I should have a reality TV show. This is jokes. I love this. Random. What time is it? 12:48.
What time is it?
It's about 1:05. My bus is, so it's all good. My bus is at 1:05. Come again. I like that. Ooh, I like that. I like that. So what? You've not just been chilling in town?
I can't like, I'm still in accommodations right here.
Oh, what is it? You thought piano's in here? I'm just gonna come chill. I love that. Oh, me too. Was you on my train? Did you just come in?
No, I wasn't.
Oh, okay. Look at this. Random in town, talented people. Do you know what I'm
If
saying?
you lot haven't watched the Stretch It remix video shoot, watch it now.
What video shoot?
Stretch It remix.
Stretch It remix.
See me on there.
Okay, I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna check it out.
See me right there.
Somebody's saying they're watching from Bradford. They're saying that you're hard.
I'm still learning. Oh, damn.
Get down on the piano. That's what they're saying about you. So bloody talented.
I'm still learning.
He keeps saying he's still learning. He just needs to own the fact that he can play. All this he's still learning. Yeah, right. People who are learning cannot play like this. This is like God-gift talent. See? I'm just feeling his spirit, man. Ooh! I feel like singing about Jesus.
So you sing gospel? Yo! Wow, I'm talented. You caught me on, on God. Bro.
We just some talented Virgos,
You know-
honey. You know what I'm saying? Hope and Lexi got hope. We all got a bit of hope now.
I like that flex. I like the sound of that.
if you think that I should hook up with him again, I think this could be like a regular train link up. His student accommodation's across the road. So what are we saying? Shall we say that I should link up with him again? If you think I should link up with him again, put a love heart emoji. Love heart emoji, let me know. Somebody says you're king of the piano. Sometimes in life you may be feeling down. You gotta keep the hope. Sometimes you might feel like giving up, but you gotta keep the hope. Sometimes you feel like you've lost everything, but you gotta keep the HOP. And sometimes there's a light at the end of the tunnel. You gotta keep the hope, keep the faith, keep the hope. You gotta keep the hope, keep the faith, keep the faith. You gotta keep the hope, keep the HOP. Keep the hope, keep the faith. Keep the hope, keep the faith, keep it up. Remember, I always tell you, keep the hope, keep the faith, keep. I said, keep the faith. He's taking it everywhere, but I'm keeping up. Alright, what time is it? I gotta go, man. It's 12:52, but
That's one of the
I'm gonna end the live. You haven't seen me in a hot minute, but I thought I'd just bless you with something different, because that's what we like to do. I'm gonna save this live. If you've got screen record people, please screen record this and send it to me. I'm going to screen record it myself, but I just want to make sure that other people have this in their archives. If you've got screen record, you can do that for me. Thumbs up. I love you all day. T Cleaves Gang Gang, that's the queendom. Give them your Insta one more time.
One life only.
One life only. Spell out __. One life only __. Add him, because you're going to be seeing a lot more of him. Trust me.
Yeah.
Bless him. Thanks. It's time to go. Let's do an outro.
So
Whatever you're feeling, babe. It's about what you're feeling. We're going to do a little outro, and then I'm going to run for my bus, because if I don't, the next one's at 2. Woo! It's been a pleasure. I want to thank you for tuning in. It's been Hope and Lexi. And now it's time to go. Say bye-bye, bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, bye. Somebody's got it already. Look at that. Lexi, this is IG, one life only, __. See, they got you, man.
thanks. I'll follow you back, sure.
He said, thank you. Bye, 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 bye. Goodbye. See you later, babes. T Cleaves Gang Gang all day. One life only, __.